These utility stocks provide energy that will be used for AI. So if AI is going down and doesn't need that energy, what do you think is going to happen to these stocks? One was VST. And this one is doing way better than NVIDIA because you see inverted head and shoulders. That's a good sign. You could have gotten in here. Max was about 134% return. Forms a base on base, great signal. Forms a mid chit, it's a good buy, and then it comes and crashes because of the dipstick. Now, is this a fake out? I think it could be a fake out because what normally happens is that it crashes on huge volume, recovers very quickly. Buyers are there to support the stock. And then, we are waiting to see, does it close this gap and continue? So what I did, since I was holding this stock, because I thought it was going to recover because it's a very strong stock, I sold about 30% here. And then when it recovered, I sold about another 30% here. So I just have 30% of my original position. I'm just waiting to see where the stock goes because it is not showing a good signal, but also it has not broken support. But NVIDIA did break support, so that's a bad sign. Then we have GEV, very similar. So these are, how do they call it? These are utility stocks, so they're going to be having a very similar pattern. So here you see I recommended it as a buy. Those who could have had a swing trade, could have gotten a quick 20%, but of course I was holding it for longer. When it crashed this day, I just thought it was going to recover quickly. It recovered here, and then I got out unscathed, and I just exited my whole position as well. Then there is TLN as well. On that day, it had a 22% drop. Then there is NRG. This is a utility stock as well, which is looking good. It has also not broken support, but you can see it is looking super volatile. That's why if you're in stocks in this sector, you want to be reducing your positions. Stick to one. I'm sticking with VST or NRG and just waiting to see what happens. This could be a fake out and then it just continues, which is something which happened in Hood stock.